Hi there. It's Roy Callan here with Roy S. Callan Luxury Group, powered by Keller Williams Home Realty, right here in Farmington Hills. So, are you planning to sell your home and you want it to sell fast? One of the best ways to attract buyers and to get top dollar is through home staging. Today, I'm sharing my top tips that you can use to inexpensively stage your home like a pro and create that wow factor that buyers just can't resist. Why does staging really matter? Well, it's all about first impressions. So, first impressions are everything. Most buyers decide whether they like a home within the first few seconds and minutes of seeing it. Staging helps highlight your home's best features and allows buyers to envision themselves living there. It's all about creating an inviting, move in ready vibe. So let's take a look at 5 easy steps to creating this vibe. Step number 1: declutter and depersonalize. Start by removing excess clutter and personal items. Think of this as pre packing for your eventual move. Clear the countertops, tidy up shelves, and minimize the decor. Buyers want to imagine their belongings in your space. You don't want to distract buyers with too much of your stuff. Step 2: deep clean every room. A spotless home tells buyers that it's well maintained. Pay attention to details like scrubbing grout, polishing appliances, and washing windows. Don't forget often overlooked areas like baseboards and light fixtures. Step 3: highlight the key spaces of your home. Focus on the rooms that really matter most to buyers: the living room, kitchen, primary bedroom, and bathrooms. Arrange furniture to maximize space and create a natural flow. Add cozy touches like fresh flowers, throw pillows, and neutral tone decor to make each room feel warm and welcoming. Step 4: let in the light. Bright spaces feel bigger and more inviting. Open up all the curtains, clean your light fixtures, and replace any dim or burnt out bulbs. Consider using mirrors to reflect light and make the space feel even more open. Finally, step 5: curb appeal really counts. Don't forget the exterior. Power wash the driveway, mow the lawn, and plant some colorful flowers. A welcoming front porch with a clean doormat and a few potted plants can really set the tone for a great showing. Obviously, these tips are relevant seasonally. So just pivot your curb appeal strategy based upon the season that you're selling. So, are you ready to sell your home or do you need help preparing it for the market? Contact me today and let's create a staging plan that gets your home sold quickly and for top dollar. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips. See you next time.